The girls are doing the challenge. Madison is drawing on Amelia's back, and she has to copy it. So far, they are doing well. Well, not anymore. This is so fun! And what is Madison drawing? Out of a circle and a number 2. Oh, look! She's drawing a bunny! That's smart. Aww. Isn't it adorable? Did I get it right? The drawings turned out to be very different. It looks like our teacher! It really does! What is this? Yikes! It's not you! It's just a challenge! Shush! Oh no! The teacher really took it personally! Where did they all go? What is this place? Huh? Where are we? Now, girls, let's start the challenge. A who drew it better challenge? Let's go! Huh? A challenge? Oh no! How will the girls do? Stay tuned! Huh? Why did I get pencils? Look at me! I got so many brushes and paint! Hey! This is not fair! Let's see what the girls have to draw for this round. Yummy! Huh? Oopsie! Okay, time for work. If you draw this lollipop nicely, you can win it. Time is ticking! Go! I want that lollipop! I want it too! Madison is lucky. She got gouache paint. It'll be easier for her to draw. While Amelia is struggling with her pencils. It broke! I don't have a sharpener! Ha! I'm gonna win this! Amelia's pencils keep breaking. Poor girl. Don't give up. Madison is enjoying herself. Now she's certain that she'll win. Her painting is almost done. Looks so yummy. No, I can't eat it. Or maybe… If Amelia doesn't come up with anything, she will lose. That's it! I'm done with these pencils! I give up! Now only one thing can lift Amelia's mood. Some Skittles. This is not fair! Wait a minute! I know! I can use Skittles! Madison's painting doesn't look too good. But what is Amelia doing here? This is gonna be great! Huh? What are you doing? Arrange Skittles in a circle on the plate. Then add some water in the middle. And now leave the rest to the Skittles. Wow! This is amazing! The colors will come out once put in the water. Wow! So cool! No, it's not cool. This means I'm gonna lose. And the time is up. The teacher now wants to see their drawings. Show them to me. This is my lollipop. It's very colorful and accurate, see? Whoa, accurate, you say? Well, okay. Now your turn, Amelia. What is this? Wow! Hey, but it's not even a drawing. A drawing or not, but it sure looks nice. Bravo! Looks like a real lollipop. You win, Amelia. Yay! I won the candy! It's so good! You deserved it. Can you give some to me? Ugh, I want my lollipop! La la! I look so good with this bag. It's so fancy. So sad it's not mine. All right, this will be your prize. This? This? OMG, I want it! I want it even more! Time is ticking! Oh, I don't want to give it away! And so the war begins. Madison looks very focused. I have to win this! It's so difficult! Madison is serious like a real artist, while Amelia's painting looks pretty wobbly so far. I have a feeling that I'm gonna win this. The bag looks really pretty. Will the girls capture it with their paintings? Wow! Madison's painting looks pretty good. I'm almost done, but I think it's pretty spot on. Let's see. It's missing something. I know! It's missing diamonds on it! Good thing Madison always carries some shiny glitter with her. This will look amazing! Wow! There's so much of it! I'm done! Huh? Why does yours look so good? And you want to add glitter? No way! Oh no! Amelia just shook Madison's hand! Now the glitter is everywhere! What? No way! You ruined my painting! This looks pretty bad! Now both paintings are covered in glitter! They look exactly the same. What? It's time already. Stop! Stop everything! You… Huh? Show me your pictures! No! No! It's her fault! No, she did it! Oh, hold on. Stop fighting. I guess this bag is mine. Yay! What a greedy teacher. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! Oh, wow! Just look at this. She blew away all the glitter. What? It can't be. Teacher! Teacher! Look! I have a painting! Does this mean I win? The teacher wasn't expecting this. Now I have to give it away. Yay! The bag is mine! Give me my prize! No! The teacher really doesn't want to give it away. But Amelia is not going to lose to her after all this. Give it to me! No! I said give it to me! It's mine now! No, it's not! Come on, teacher, just give it to her. Amelia won after all. Yes! I got it! I look good, right? No! My bag! Both girls got some colorful crayons. Huh? And what's this? A piece of paper? What? It's not paper, it's a piece of cloth. What are we gonna do with it? Attention! Your object is a brand new iPhone. The winner gets to keep it. OMG! A brand new iPhone! This prize got the girls very excited. Do your best. Now start drawing, please. This is really something to fight for. But looks like it won't be that easy. Drawing on cloth is harder than on paper. I can't draw like this. Huh? Amelia is struggling. The cloth keeps sliding. I know what to do. Tape. What is she planning to do with it? Look, she's taping the cloth on the table. That way it won't slide. Wow, this is so smart. I want to tape mine too. Madison is almost ready. Now she'll be able to paint easily. Yay! I'm so clever. Done! Now Amelia wants to do the same thing. Perfect! Can you give me some tape? What? Of course not. I don't have any. Oh, man! Madison is a bit rude, but she really wants to win. I'm so tired and sweaty! Wait! Madison is way ahead with her drawing. Oh, no! While Amelia has just ruined the cloth with her makeup. What else could you expect, cleaning your face like that? What is she drawing here? She drew 2 rectangles, and now she's connecting the corners. I'm screwed! Yes! I'm done with my drawing. Take a look at it. Cool, right? Okay, yours is not bad. A bit plain, but whatever. And you? I just cleaned my face, you see. Ugh, ew! I don't want to see it. Well, I guess the winner is clear. It's Madison. Me? I knew it! Yes! Give it to me! The prize is yours. Thank you so much. I'm the best! Madison is over the moon with her joy. It's mine! Finally! What do you think, loser? I'm the winner. Haha! Ah, so lovely. Time to open it. Let's see. Oh my. What? Poor Madison. There's no phone. Just an empty box. What? How could you? Where is my phone? No! You got fooled! Well, girls, are you excited? They sure are. They both are expecting to get something nice. Madison would like to get new earrings, while Amelia is thinking about cake. Will one of them get what they desire? I'm gonna open it now. The girls can't wait. Why is the teacher so sneaky? It's a snake! Ew! Take it away! Yikes! I'm so scared! No need to panic. Just start drawing. Oh, isn't she cute? The best drawing will win the snake. It's not a tempting prize. The girls are too scared. But Madison has started drawing already. What is she painting? I'm done. Huh? You just wait. I'll show you. Look, Madison drew a line and Amelia only a dot. They want to perform badly, so they don't get a snake. Not fair. Here, let me help you. Hey, what are you doing? Looks like on this round, the girls will compete to improve each other's drawings. Hey, stop it! Oh my, this is getting out of hand. At this rate, they will have 2 completed paintings. So which one of them will win? Leave my painting alone. Stay away! I'm not gonna win! Time is running out, but the girls are still fighting. Calm down, girls. Don't hurt each other. Time is almost up. You will get the snake, haha! No, you will get it. And it's time! Stop! Put down your brushes and show me what you've got. Well? Huh? Oh no! Oh wow! Madison's drawing turned out pretty good. Oh no! And Amelia's too! They both look like winners. But Madison isn't going to give up so easily. She smashed her painting. How do you like this? But Amelia has an even better idea. She is eating her drawing. The teacher is very confused. What? How could you do that? Ugh! I have to do something quickly. I know. Here. Now it's yours. Madison just gave her painting to Amelia. What is she doing? I'm so smart. Haha! I'm sorry. I didn't draw anything. What? Okay, whatever. Amelia, let's look at yours. You had better drawings, but looks like Amelia finally realized. It's hers! It's not mine! I swear! Don't be so shy. You're the winner! Now you can have the snake! I don't want it! Serves you right! I'm so scared! Hey, it's actually pretty cute. Just look at her, Madison! Well, Madison clearly isn't a fan of snakes.